Hey, Mommy.
Welcome to my life. Letty Show. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be making some ensalada de pollo. I have some celery, carrots, and potatoes pre-boiled along with some chicken. So here you have the ingredients. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to get those ingredients that I parboiled along with my boiled chicken. And I'm going to go ahead and use mayonnaise. Typically you use sour cream and mayonnaise, but I'm going to go ahead and use some mayo. I'm going to go ahead and add my boiled chicken to about 3 scoops of mayo. I like to use my ice cream scooper. Some parsley, some adobo. So I'm just adding that adobo, some black pepper, and some garlic salt. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up. I'm not going to mix it up too much. I just wanted to get the ingredients incorporated because I don't want to really smash the potatoes and the carrots. And now we're going to go ahead and make the tostadas. Typically in my family, we like to make homemade tostadas, or you can even buy them, and that's how we go ahead and serve our ensalada de pollo, which is basically Mexican potato salad. So I'm just adding my potato salad and some hot sauce, and there you have it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want to see more of this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and thank you so much for watching the Letty Show. Love you. Bye.